Dude, I saw you in fucking ZFO. They got you and everyone in your fucking chan.
What?
You got Dude, you got Engine X running on your fucking web server?
Yeah, dude, Engine X is going there, what?
They popped your box and took your damn key. Those pics of you and your sis, they base 64 encoded that shit and dropped it in the Z. They took you, your keys, they took everything.
That's how you got shots, even if you Firefox, too late for the wire shark. Just take your entire box, say your prayers, tie your knots, apply your patches, try attaching a debugger to the process, try dissecting my attack. You won't find shit, why is that? My shell code repairs the app's entire stack. Looking at your application and I'm salivating, cause you failed validation on sized allocations. Calibrating for my address offset. Your process just joined softsex botnet. Jack you by the IP octet. And that goes for any kitty that talks shit. If I talked it, I popped it. Code it, I odded it, I found holes and locked it. You couldn't know before the kitchen sink. Let me show you how it works. Click this link. Kitty.
That's how you got owned. That's how you got owned. That's how you got owned. That's how you got owned.
Flow into the track without a trace. I replace your netstat LS, but you can't see nothing. I'm in your chan with ops, your box is popped, the wall is dropped. You better power down or run in. I'm in the state of attacks with the hacks. Your antivirus is whacking. I'm back with more exploits, endpoints, port knocks, root joints, Fort Knox. Give me all your gold is sold before your jaw drops. Your heart's falling, your mom hears you falling. Don't come crawling for your keys and your wallet. Conclusion, security delusion. Client sides we win, you know we still getting in. Yeah, every move is giving out the secret keys to the kingdom. Your queen is mine, it's checkmate. Even applets will fall like the walls to Jericho. Even brute force lets me see which way you go. Pull a swift, you